Ẹ̀fọ́ yìí ni wọ́n ń pè ní ẹ̀fọ́ elemimeje. Yeah, the greens you used to see in the mall. Let me show you how it's made. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On to today's episode, we are making a roll. So this is my chopped prepped pepper. So I have chili pepper here, red pepper, onion, and scotch bonnet. Then this is my mixed dry fish, my pomo and diced pomo, my locust beans, my palm oil, my onion with ginger and garlic, my snail, my macrofish, and my green. So this is tete green. I'm not sure if I'm right, but I think it is what they call tete in Yoruba. And this is green. Yeah, I got this from Sainsbury. And I'll be showing you how I make my delicious roll. And for these locust beans, you can see I've hydrated this. It's originated from this dry, from this dry locust beans. So it's easier to carry from Nigeria this way. All you just need to do is hydrate it with water. And this is a lot. It looks more like this, but when you put some into your bowl and you put water, it just swells up a bit. So you can also get this locust beans, and yeah, it's easier. Okay, let's get started with the video. So into the pot, you pour in your palm oil. You allow the pot to get hot a bit. Then add in your tubo, which is your onion, ginger, and garlic. So I've prepped all together. Then I'll allow to saute a bit by stirring in before adding my locust beans. Don't miss this step if you're making your efo. The tip to the best efo is the locust beans has to be fried a bit before anything else. Then after the two marinate well, add in your snail. This snail has been pre-cooked back in Nigeria, but I just have to wash it again due to the traveling hours. Then I have to fry to retain the best taste. So you might not necessarily put in your snail first, but I did in my own part. Then I'm adding in my momo at this stage because it's not enough to add your own momo without that diced momo, because every bit of that effort you want to be tasting the momo. Then I'm adding in my natural fish. It's also called Titus fish in Yoruba. We call it Titus fish in Nigeria a lot. So then I add it in at this stage. One thing about Titus fish is that when adding it, you have to be careful the way you turn it, because it's so soft and it can just fall apart any minute. So then I add in the oak momo. Yeah, the pot is full. I know. Should I use the bigger pot, right? But make do with this one. So I'm only stirring gently. Then I will allow this to fry together a bit before adding in my pepper mix. So after I added my pepper mix, I made sure I took some of my macrofish with everything really. Then I added in my seasoning cubes. So this way I've removed my macrofish. So then I'll be adding it back now. That way it saves you from it falling apart. So that's the tip. I added it at first because I know it should get cooking, because literally I should have added it when I add the old pepper, and I know I'm not turning any moment from now. Then I will allow this to cook on medium heat by covering halfway so that the water will not get into the pot. So this is my green F4 tete. One thing about this green is when I bought it, I was not using it at the moment. So I just cut, washed, and put in the freezer to retain the freshness. So I'll allow this to steam before adding water. Yeah, because I couldn't wait that day. I should have allowed it to steam. So I just added water and allowed to boil this way. So when the green is boiled this way, you know it's ready. Also, no when you buy pepper and balance, but make sure you add in a bit of salt. Then this is me removing my fish. After that, then I'll pour in my efo. It's a whole lot, so I just have to check in for the fish and just remove everything to make sure we can turn well. So this is me adding in all the green. Please, if you watch this extent, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let me know what you like me to make in the comment section, like what you are craving to know.
I never had idea about it. I'll be dropping the video. Please let's engage. This is 2024. Let's do better this year. And make sure you follow my Instagram page at Lydia'skitchen as well. After mixing well, I added in my crayfish. At this point, the food is ready, I must say. Then I add in my macrofish and I allow to steam a bit. At this point, I've reduced the fire from medium heat to about low just to steam because everything's really literally ready. Then I made semo. Yeah, for those saying semo is not healthy, yeah, I'm eating it though. I'm in my house. So I made semo. I'm trying to form. I don't know what I'm trying to do there, but this is the turnout of our efori roll. Look at this, guys. It's just seasoning cube, maggi and salt and your gbogbo to go the eroja, the orishirishi in the food. See how it's giving balanced diet already. Let me know if you enjoyed this video in the comment section. And I must say, this food is so delicious. Like, if there is any word apart from delicious, like luscious, sweet, and gosh, I just enjoyed it. It will go well with amala. Yeah, that's yam flour. And it will also go well with pounded yam as well. So let this be a staple in your house. So enough for spinach because spinach is just so common here. Thank you for watching. Do have a lovely day. Bye everyone.